Namaste everyone. Welcome to ICAM. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 9. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Navamodhyayaha Rajavidya Rajaguhya Yogaha Shri Bhagavanuvacha Idam Tute Guhyatamam सूर्यवे ज्ञानौ विज्ञानसहितं यज्ञात्वा मोक्षसे शुभात्. The Lord of Shri said, O Arjuna, you are without envy. I shall therefore impart this supreme secret to you in terms of both theory and experience, knowing which you shall be free from inauspiciousness. Rajavidya Rajaguhyam Pavitramidamuttamam Pratyakshavagaman Dharmyam Susukham Kartumavyayam. This is the king of knowledge, the king of secret, the ultimate purifier. It is directly perceivable, religious, easy to practice, and imperishable. अश्रद्धधानाः पुरुषाः धर्मस्यास्य परन्तप अप्राप्यमान् निवर्तन्ते मृत्युसंसारवर्त्मनि. People who do not have faith in this dharma, O Bharata, do not attain me. They are reborn on the path of death and transmigration. मया ततमिदं सर्वं जगदव्यक्तमूर्तिना मत्स्थानि सर्वभूतानि न चाहन्तेष्वस्थितः. I encompass this entire creation in my unmanifest form. All creatures are situated in me, but I am not situated in them. न च मत्स्थानि भूतानि पश्य मे योगमैश्वरम् भूतभृन्न च भूतस्थः ममात्मा भूतभावनः. And yet beings do not live in me beyond my godly power. While I am the maintainer and the source of beings, my self is not contained in created beings. यथाकाशस्थितो नित्यं वायुस्तत्र just as the earth, being forever situated in the sky, blows everywhere, so are all beings situated in me. सर्वभूतानि कौन्तेय प्रकृतिं यान्ति मामिकां कल्पक्षये पुनस्तानि कल्पादौ विसृजाम्यहम्. At the end of a cycle of kalpas, O son of Kunti, all beings enter my material nature. At the beginning of the next cycle, I again send them forth. प्रकृतिं स्वामवस्थभ्यः विसृजामि पुनः पुनः भूतग्राममिमं कृत्स्नम् अवसं प्रकृते nature constantly this helpless न च मान्तानि कर्माणि निबध्नन्ति धनञ्जय उदासीनवदासीनम् असक्तं तेषु कर्मसु. Oh Dhananjaya, I am not bound by these. I remain unattached to them, like one who is in different. मयाध्यक्षेण प्रकृतिः क्रियते सचराचरम् हेतुनानेन कौन्तेय जगद्विपरिवर्तते. Under my direction, the world of animate and inanimate things is brought forth by material nature, on account of which the world revolves. O son of Kunti, know about that.